Hello Felix, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for the 2002 Lexus RS300. Kilometers 143,201 and price is $68.88 plus existing licenses. Fully safety certified. This vehicle comes with a spoiler up front and brand new tires, Felix brakes, new pot. Inside, the interior is very clean and well maintained by the previous owner. Sunroof, power windows, power door locks, power seat, luggage racks, and inside it comes with winter mats and regular mats. And also this compartment comes with a cover. This vehicle is available for you at this time. If you want to secure it, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. And I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.